how to fix the Facebook ads not delivering problem. So, somewhat an explanation so that you will have a basis on how to fix your specific problem, since it can be pretty situational. So, the not delivering problem on your Facebook ads usually just means there's something in your setup that is blocking the ad from entering the auction. So, for the first or the most common reasons are a new ad account, a low budgets, or a narrow audience. Or in general, the ad is still maybe under review. So sometimes the issue is simply patience. And with that, new ads can take several hours, so even up to a whole day. So to start delivering, especially on fresh accounts, other times it's because your bid, budget, or optimization event is too restrictive, making it hard for Meta to find people to show your ad to. So to fix this, you can just start by checking on your ad. Take a look at that in your ads manager for any warnings like in reviews. You should be able to see that on the specific ad you're taking a look at. But other than the in review status, it could be learning limited or policy issues. So you can increase your daily budget slightly, broaden your audience, and avoid stacking too many detailed targeting options as well. Make sure your campaign objective also matches your goals. So, for example, use sales with a proper conversion event and not traffic for purchases. So, you can also go ahead and verify your payment method and account spending limit, since ads won't deliver if there's a billing issue. So once those basics are fixed, delivery usually starts within a few hours. But those are a few things you can keep in mind to potentially stop or to prevent the Facebook ads not delivering problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.